morning, children. Open your previous textbooks. In our last class, I have completed about the different types of games. So many games are there, means indoor game, outdoor games, such type of games. I told some examples, okay, which are the indoor games then. The games which you play inside our school or house are called indoor games. And which are the outdoor games? The game you can play as an outside the school or house are called outdoor games. Some examples means carom, chess, ludo, all these are the indoor games. And kho-kho, kabaddi, badminton, table tennis, all these are the outdoor games. Okay, so let's start today new lesson with the name of lesson number 13. I need this means which is what are our basic needs we have to know about in this all lesson. So please open your textbooks and page number 83, lesson number 13. Are you open, children? Okay, let's start with the new lesson. What are the children doing in this picture? You have to know which are our basic needs and what are they. So here I have written some basic needs. Which are our basic needs? Our basic needs are all need air, water, clothes, house. These are our basic needs. So firstly air. We need air to live, yes or no? We are breathing. We are breathing. Each and every second we are breathing. So we are breathing for living. Otherwise we can't breathe, we can't live. So first we will need air always. Next one, water. When you are thirsty, what you want to drink? Water. Next one, clothes. Clothes is also protect us from heat, sun, then rain, cold. All of us will protect from our clothes. And house. House is also very need to live. All of we are living in house, yes or no? Then next one is food is also our basic need. We need food to live. So all these are our basic need. Here what are the children doing in the picture? Here they are shown picture on page 83. So that girl and boy are here. So what they are doing? What are their basic needs? Firstly, she is eating the food and drinking the water. This is also basic need, children. In the next picture, that boy seated in the house. House is a basic need of his. Why? Because house protect us from heat, cold, rain, all these. House will protect us from thieves also. Next, lots of air, it also protect us from all this. Next one, clothes. We need a clothes, I told it. Next we drink. That boy drinks a water. He is drinking a water here. That girl is taking a air, means fan air, natural air, all types of air, but we need the air. So all these are our basic needs. So turn to next page 84. Here are a few pictures of some things. Draw a line in things that are very essential for you. Take one pencil and draw the lines here, which are all these are your needs. Okay, this is the correct one. They are given that some pictures. These are our need, but basic needs, important things which we need in our life. So which are they? Here that girl, firstly she needs water. This is our important thing. Water is an important thing. So next one, chair. At some time we need it, but it's not our basic need. First one, our basic need is water. Second one is clothes. Third one is food. All these are the basic needs. So make it arrow mark to these: water, food and clothes. So next one, chair. It's a need, but not an important. Watch. Watch is also important to see the time. Why? Because we have to always in time. Get up early in the morning, make your all timetable. We are calling as, so it's all depend on watch. Next one, shoes. Yes, it's need, but we are not wearing shoe in house, shoe in schools. Books and table. Yes, we need while we are doing studies. Next one, pencils. We need it, but we are not always every time you are writing, children. No, at some time you are writing. So basic needs means water, food and clothes. These are our main basic need. Understood? Turn the next page. Here that girl is saying, I am hungry, can we have food? When you are hungry, what you are eating? You are eating food, means vegetables, fruits, whatever may be. But you are eating on that time, means when you are hungry, you are eating a different types of food. Next, oh, I am thirsty. I need a water to drink. When you are thirsty, what you are drinking, children? You are drinking a water. Next, I started raining. Let's go home. Why house is here important? House is our basic need here because rain started and suddenly that boy is on the road. So he thought that suddenly rain started. So I should have to go now my home, my house. Next one here, clothes. I need clothes to protect me from, clothes protect us from heat of the sun, cold, rain and breeze. Means clothes is protect us from heat, sun rays. Next, cold and rain and cold air means breeze air. All these clothes protect us. Next one, air. We need air to breathe also, don't we? Yes, by using air we can fill the balloons. But we need to live. Air is very important. Oxygen, we get oxygen from trees and plants. All need air, water, clothes, house. These are our basic needs. So which are our basic needs here again? Air, water, food, house and clothes. All these are our basic needs. Here some animals are also some domestic and wild animals. They are shown in one picture. Cow is eating grass. Elephant is drinking water. Here buffalo is also drinking. Horse is also drinking water. Some sheep are eating grass and here dog is eating roti. Means what? All animals also need air, water and food. Yes or no? All the human living beings, they need a food, water and air also. All the human living beings need food, water and air. So here all the animals also they want to eat grass, water and air. All animals need all these things. In the next picture again, I told about the all living things need air, water. So here plants. Plants are also trees. Plants are also living things. So they need soil, water and sunlight to grow up. So they are shown in this picture. What that girl is doing here, she is giving watering to the plant and here sun rays are come on the plant. Next one, that boy in second picture, boy is also giving some soil to that plant and sun rays again here. So plants also need air, water and food. Here on page number 88, they are given some activity to do yourself, children. Look at the lines drawn in the boxes. Draw a picture of house accordingly in the empty boxes and color it. What you have to do here, they are given such type of boxes. So you also draw here the same triangle. This is a square box, make it square here. One square and one triangle on it. On page number 89, again triangle and square, rectangle box. Next shape, they are shown here. The same way you have to draw here the house. They will be completed of your house here. This is your homework, children, do that. Next page number 90, look at the picture and put right mark on the correct answer in the boxes. The water I drink. Now you have to write, you have to make it right mark or cross mark here. Which water you are drinking? This is the clean water, this is dirty water. Which you are drinking, children, here? Clean water you are drinking always. So make it right mark here and do it cross to another one. Next one, watermelon. This is open and it house flies are flies on that watermelon, and in second picture they have put some net on that watermelon. So second picture make it right mark. Third picture, this is the clean house to live. This is the dirty house, means house all side gate has fallen. Some trees are grown up front of sides. Walls are colored gone. All these things here. So uniforms is correct one. And here iron, clean clothes, iron shirt is here, and this is the unclean clothes. So cross mark and right mark. This is your homework. Draw the correct house picture here. So in that way today we have finished the lesson number 13. I need this. Which are, again I am repeating, which are our basic needs: air, water, food and clothes and house. All these are five. These are our basic important things. Okay. So do this homework. We will, in our next class we will continue with the new lesson. Thank you children.